When you're cornering, have you tried trail braking? Trail braking is a hard braking period followed by progressive easing off the brakes as you get closer to the apex, and it's a suitable technique to use when you've got a powerful engine in your kart. When you perfect it, trail braking will help you gain lap time because you'll be able to brake much later into a corner, hence carrying more entry speed. So step 1 is to press the brakes hard with a good amount of pressure, and you want to hold that pressure and carry the brakes into the corner until you feel the rear end of the kart step out. Now initiate your turn in and start easing off the brakes progressively as you get closer to the apex, and by the time you reach the apex, you should be off the brakes completely and already feeding the gas again. Now to find the limit of hard braking is going to take a lot of trial and error, but if you have some kind of a reference on track, that will help you establish a braking point. So for example, at this hairpin turn, when I was learning the track, I was braking well before this curb, but as I did more laps and gained more confidence, I started braking later and later down the curb, until I started overshooting the corner, which meant I was braking too late. So be wary of those signs. If you overshoot a corner, think, was I carrying too much entry speed? Did I not press the brakes hard enough? But on the other hand, if you press the brakes too hard, you can risk the rear end stepping out completely and going off spinning. So just be wary of that, and it's all about finding the sweet spot. So is trail braking suitable for rental karts? Well, on a typical 4-stroke rental kart, if you brake hard and then ease off the brakes until the apex, you'll lose your revs quickly, and then it takes ages to build them back up. So instead, try to brake early in the corner to slow the kart down sufficiently, and then immediately start feeding the gas progressively before you reach the apex. This way, you will build your revs back up quickly, whilst being on the limit of grip and still maximizing your exit speed. Let us know in the comments what techniques you used to perfect trail braking and which karts did you try it in. And if you did enjoy this video, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe. But until the next video guys, I'll see you next time.